Hi, Mark from Custom Cruise. You can see here, Rasmus Gauge Specialist. You can see here we're fitting these brackets onto the heads, basically of the wing, ready for the lights. Now this one here shows the bracket with its rubbers and spacers, okay? Uneven spacers because obviously one cylinder's further back than the other. So this one here doesn't actually use any spacers in the top and just uses one in the middle. And as you can see, the light, built-in LED, fog and driving all built in. Amazing bit of kit. So you've got your running lights, you know, also your driving lights as well. But cracking bit of kit made by Showchrome. And as you can see here, it comes as a complete kit. This here bit in the box. It's called the Tridium or Tridium, I don't know. Tridium LED light kit. As you can see here, indicators, spots, running lights. Okay, comes complete with all the wiring loops. Very high quality, as you can see. Very well made, not the usual cheap crap you get from China. This is proper stuff made in America or for America. Okay, so if you're interested in the wing bits, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruises.com. Thank you.